Hello, soda enthusiasts. Today we have selected a topic related to the bubbly world that is the difference between Diet Coke and Coke Zero, as we will uncover the difference between these two fizzy sets in 5 parts. So stay connected with us till the end of video. Part 1. The flavor profile of Diet Coke and Coke Zero. Since Diet Coke has a unique taste that stands out from regular Coke, it was created to offer a distinct flavor experience. On the other hand, Coke Zero aims to mimic the classic taste of regular Coca-Cola. The goal was to provide that familiar Coca-Cola flavor without the sugar and calories. Part 2. Ingredients. Diet Coke uses calcium cyclamate as its primary sweetener. In contrast, Coke Zero is a combination of calcium cyclamate with acesulfame potassium in order to get the closer to Coke taste. Part 3. Targeted consumers. Diet Coke was initially marketed towards older consumers and those specifically seeking a diet beverage. Coke Zero, however, was aimed at a younger audience, particularly men, who might shy away from a drink labeled diet. Part 4. Brand and packaging. Diet Coke is usually found in sleek silver and red cans, while Coke Zero often sports a bold black packaging with red accents. Final part. Calories in Diet Coke and Coke Zero. If we talk about the calories in both drinks, then they both are low in calories and sugar, but they have slightly different formulations and ingredient amounts. So, there you have it. While both Diet Coke and Coke Zero are excellent low-calorie, sugar-free options, they differ in taste, sweeteners, marketing strategies, and target audiences. Next time you reach for a can, you'll know exactly what sets your choice apart. Cheers! If you think that you have got some knowledge from our video, then do subscribe our channel.